That's the first time I've actually done that as Viego. Whew, that went well.